students, today we are going to become question number 14. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is 90 degree. If two angles are complementary, always the complementary two angles will be 90 degree. So answer is 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measurement is 180 degree. You should understand the sentence, then it is easy to write the answer. Two angles forming linear pair, then that is supplementary. Linear means straight, supplementary. Next, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair of angles. Linear pair. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, means that is pair, then the supplementary means straight, so it becomes a linear pair of angles. If two lines are intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. If two lines intersect at a point, if one is pair vertically opposite angles are acute angle, then another pair will be obviously, that is obtuse angle. Hope you know that what is acute. Less than 90 degree is called acute. More than 90 degree, less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Now, I hope you understood these fill in the blanks. In these fill in the blanks, just you should think and write the answer. It becomes very easy for you. Now, let us go to the question number 15. In adjoining figure, here there is a figure. Name the pairs of the following angles. They are asking you the angles. You have to find out. First question, obtuse vertically opposite angle. There are two pairs will be there. One is acute and another one obtuse. So here they are asking obtuse. Obtuse means BOC, AOD. So the answer is AOD. If you put this symbol, it is angle BOC. So AOD, BOC. Next, adjacent complementary angle. Complementary, adjacent. Adjacent means there should be a common vertex, common arm. So we can go for this. EOB and AOB. Adjacent complementary angle. So EOA you have to write. One is EOA, another one is AOB. Why? Because adjacent complementary. Here EOA. OA is common vertex. O is common vertex. OA is common arm. So it becomes the adjacent angle. Now we'll go for, you can write the answer EOA, AOB. Now equal supplementary angle. Equal supplementary angle. Equal supplementary means EOB equal and AOB. EOD, AOB. These are the equal supplementary angles. Means here we will get EOD, EOB. So the answer will be EOB, EOD. EOD, EOB. It becomes the supplementary. B and D is the supplementary. Unequal supplementary angle. Which are unequal? EOA, EOC. EOA, EOC. Here they are, you can see the supplementary EOA, EOC. Here is also one of the supplementary angle, but they are unequal. But here they are equal. Both are 90 degree, 90 degree. These are unequal. So you can say that unequal means both are not same. Hope you are understanding that. Next one, adjacent angle. They do not form a linear pair. They should not form a linear pair. AOB, AOE, one pair. AOB, AOE. Condition is they should not be adjacent. they should not be linear. So it is not a linear, it is only this one. Then AOE, EOD, EOD. Then it is also not a linear. Linear means it should be straight. Next one, EOD and COD. COD. So in this way, if we write, we will get the not linear pair angles. Hope you understood how to identify the from the adjoining figure following pairs of angles. Thank you, my dear students.